F9 calcium and efflorescence remover. It's a wonderful product for getting that white calcium off of the red bricks on that house, or calcium deposits on the concrete. You'll see a black circle with a darker rim around the edge. That's a black calcium deposit. We've had several pictures come into the office that says, I've tried every degreaser, hot water, all kinds of things to get this stain up, and I can't get it up. And when you look at it, it is a black calcium deposit. Use a little F9 efflorescence calcium remover, and boom, he comes right up. So, as it says on the label, concrete, bricks, pavers, tile, stone, and shower tiles. Try to keep it away from the glass. It won't harm the glass if the glass is perfect, but if there is a pit, it'll make the pit a little more visible.